Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating a newsletter in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. Click on the Send button to begin the process. Locate and click on the Broadcast option in your menu. Select the New Broadcast button to initiate a new newsletter. Pick a template that suits the style and purpose of your newsletter. This will serve as the foundation for your design. Enter a name for your newsletter that reflects its content or theme. Personalize your newsletter by adding text, images, and adjusting the overall design. Make sure it aligns with your brand and engages your audience. Click on the Continue button to move on to the next part of the setup. Choose the type of newsletter you want to create. This could include options like promotional, informational, or a mix. After making your selection, click Continue to advance to the final step. Finally, click on Publish Broadcast button. This will make your newsletter live and ready to be shared with your audience. And that's it, your newsletter is ready to be sent out. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.